High scale guys, today we have crane scales and a load, model OCSD, 5-ton capacity. To calibrate these scales you need remote, so you can't calibrate it without remote. And to calibrate these scales, the thing is, each time when you calibrate it 0 or put the weight, it shows stable. It should be stable, this STB. Because when it's unstable, you can't do nothing. You can't calibrate them, you should wait until it will be stable. So, you press menu button, and then you press menu button until you saw calibration. It will be like this. Then you hit enter button, and it shows calibration scale 1. You press enter button again. It's calibrating 0. We have nothing on the scales, so it's calibrating 0. It's stable. You see? Press enter button. Now it's asking us about the weight, and we should put weight here. So capacity of the scales is 5,000, so we will put about 25, something like this. It will be okay. Now we press enter button. Press it again. It shows 2636, but we need 25. So I press enter button until this digit will flash in, and I put it 25. I need 0 here. I can make it 5. These buttons work like not really good, as you can see. So I need 0 here. So 2505, I have 2510. So, and when I have 2505, I press menu button, calibration end, and this is 2504, 2505. So it's okay, it's pretty close, 1 kg. Out, it's doing nothing. As close as it can be. So that's all, calibration is done, it's finished by itself.